Next question number 5. Three girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circular of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Reshma throws a ball to Salma, Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 meter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? So, I am representing Reshma here, R, and here it is Salma, S. Next is Mandeep. These three students are standing on the circle, and that circle have 5 meter radius. I denoted here 5 meter radius. Okay, and throwing a ball from R to S, again S to R, and S to M, then M to R. This is the meaning of the question. Okay, and it is given that distance between two child R to S, which is given here 6 meter. I represented here. Again from S to M also it is 6 meter, which is given in the question. We have to find out the distance between Reshma and Mandeep. So this is Reshma, this is Mandeep. We have to find this total length RM. We have to find. That is the meaning of the question. Understood? So let me start the proof. Let Reshma, Salma, Mandeep be represented by R, S, M. Okay, we have to draw OL. This OL, perpendicular line to the line R. Sorry, OL is this line. Okay, this is the line OL. This is L. OL is perpendicular to RS. This is OL perpendicular to RS. I drawn here. Okay, so OL is perpendicular. By construction, I draw one perpendicular line to this chord RS. Correct? So this is perpendicular line. OL is perpendicular line. So I am denoting here OL is perpendicular to RS. Okay. So we can apply OL is perpendicular to RS. So I am calculating OL square. OL square is equal to, we can calculate it as OR square. We have here radius, correct? So OR square we can take it as this is the 90 degrees. So this should be hypotenuse side, correct? So OR square minus this RL square. RL square. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we can calculate this length OL. OL square is equal to OR. Here we have, that is 5. 5 square minus RS total length, which is given 6. Correct? This is the perpendicular line from the center of the circle to the chord. So this line is dividing this line RS into two equal parts. It is bisecting. So here it is 3, here it is 3. So RL is equal to 3. 3 square. 5 square minus 3 square is equal to 25 minus 9 is equal to 16. So we can calculate OL is equal to root of 16 is equal to 4 meter. Now we got OL is equal to 4 meter. Okay. Next I am calculating now area of triangle ORS. ORS I am calculating. Area of triangle ORS is equal to, what is the equation? Half into base into height. So half into, we can calculate it as taking this KR. This has the height of this triangle. Okay, so half into KR into this OS. I am taking it as base. So half into KR into OS. Taking this as height and this as base. This KR we don't know, correct? So I am calculating half into KR into OS, means OS is same radius. So radius is always 5. So area of triangle ORS we can calculate in this way, as well as we can calculate in another way also. Again I am calculating area of triangle ORS is equal to, same equation I am applying, half into, instead of taking this perpendicular height, I am taking here RS. Okay, RS is the base and OL is the perpendicular distance. I am taking these two lines. Okay, so half into, this is height, that is OL into, next base. If we are taking this is the height, then we should take RS is the base, RS. This is also putting as equation number 2. Okay, so here we can calculate area of ORS in these two ways. Here I am taking this as the height and this is the base. Second, I am taking this is the height and this is the base. Both are the area of the same triangle. So we can equate these two, because half into KR into 5 is equal to, both areas are same only, both are areas of ORS, right? Should be equal to half into, what is OL? OL we have here, OL we calculated here, which is equal to 4, correct? So 4 into RS. RS also we have here, what is RS? R to S, 6. The distance between these two students, correct? That is 6. So we can cancel these two. It will come here, which is equal to 12. So half into KR into 5 is equal to 12. So we can calculate KR from this, correct? So KR is equal to 4. 5 into KR. 5 KR is equal to 2 into this 12, which is equal to 24. So we will get KR is equal to 24 divided by 5, which is equal to 4.8 centimeter. Now we get KR. KR means this line. KR is equal to 4.8 meter. We have to calculate actually RM, distance between these two students, correct? This is the question. RM we have to calculate. How can we calculate RM? Here we have KR and this is a chord and this is a perpendicular line from the center of the circle. So this OK is bisecting the chord RM, correct? That means RK should be equal to KM. So easily we can calculate total length RM is equal to 2 into this length, correct? So 2 into 4.8, which is equal to 9.6 centimeter is the distance between the students Reshma and Mandi. This is the final answer. 9.6 is the final answer. Okay.